Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade pickled red onions. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 large red onion, thinly sliced, along with 1 cup of water and 1 cup of vinegar. For seasoning, measure 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. You can also add optional spices like a few peppercorns or a bay leaf for extra flavor. These quick pickles are incredibly versatile and easy to prepare. Now let's prepare the flavorful pickling brine. In a small saucepan, combine your 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. It's important to ensure everything is fully incorporated. Once it reaches a gentle simmer, remove the brine from the heat. This warm liquid is key to infusing flavor. With your brine ready, it's time to combine everything. Carefully pack your thinly sliced red onions into a clean, heat-proof jar. Make sure they are snug but not overly compressed. Then, slowly pour the warm brine over the onions, ensuring they are completely submerged in the liquid. If you're using optional spices, now is the time to add them. Finally, seal the jar tightly with its lid. This step locks in all the delicious flavors. Almost ready to enjoy? First, let the sealed jar cool down to room temperature on your counter. Once cooled, transfer it to the refrigerator. For a quick pickle, you can enjoy them after just 30 minutes of chilling. However, for the best, most developed flavor, I recommend chilling them for at least 2 hours. These delicious, tangy pickled red onions will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 weeks. Enjoy them on everything.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.